For this problem, we want to express x squared plus 6x plus 7 over x plus 2 times x plus 3 in terms of partial fractions. Now, the first thing to look for in this problem is that the highest power in the denominator is an x squared, but the highest power in the numerator is also an x squared. So if the highest power in the numerator is equal to or greater than that of the denominator, the first thing you're going to have to do is some algebraic division. Now, we could divide by one of these two terms, or we can multiply those two terms such that x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6, and then divide the numerator by this denominator. So squared plus 6x plus 7. X squared divided by x squared is 1. Multiply the 1 by that expression there, so x squared plus 5x plus 6. You can then subtract the expression, the x squareds cancel, 6x minus 5x is x, 7 minus 6 is plus 1. Now this expression here, the highest power of x is x to the power of 1. The highest power there is an x squared, so we can stop at that point, and therefore we can write x squared plus 6x plus 7 over x plus 2 x plus 3 as being equal to 1 plus x plus 1 over x plus 2 times x plus 3, where this x plus 2 times x plus 3 is just the quadratic from this expression. Now, here we have a more simple case of a linear factor over the quadratic, so we can really rewrite this as 1 plus a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3, where we need to find our values for a and b. So let's take this part of the problem, and we've got x plus 1 over x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3, and then we just deal with this as you normally would with the partial fractions. Multiply through by this x plus 2 x plus 3 denominator, so x plus 1 is equal to a times x plus 3 plus b times x plus 2. To get rid of this first bracket here, we can use x is equal to minus 3. So therefore, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, is equal to, this bracket goes to 0. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, so minus b. So therefore, b is equal to 2. And to get rid of this second bracket, we can use x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 plus 3, which is 1, so 1a. And this bracket goes to 0, so a is equal to minus 1. So the final thing to do then is to substitute in our values. We've still got our 1 from before. We've got minus 1 over x plus 2 plus our b value, which is 2 over x plus 3. And that is our final form in partial fractions for x squared plus 6x plus 7 over x plus 2 times x plus 3.